Hello everyone. Just to say that speaking English is very, very important for traveling. If I wasn't able to speak English, I wasn't able to be here. So I would strongly recommend you to learn English with the teacher that is next to me. That can open a lot of doors to travel all around the world. I met a lot of friends just by speaking English, especially Danny, which is an English speaker here.
Hello everybody. Yes, English obviously is very important. I myself am from England, a city called Leeds in England. For me, speaking English when travelling is so important. It's the global language nowadays, and this is why I would recommend you to watch the videos on this channel, learn as much English as you can, and definitely make sure that you like and subscribe. So best of luck in your journey to learn English.
Thank you.
And don't
What's your name?
So my name's Danny.
And what's your name?
And my name is Benjamin
Uh-huh.
from France.
From France, and you're from England,
I'm from
right?
England,
Oh,
yes.
okay. Thank you.